Hi, welcome to Micromechanisms. On this channel, we don't just talk about diseases or treatments. We slow down and look at the mechanism, how things actually work. Antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, but sometimes they don't work. Not because the antibiotic is weak, but because the bacteria have changed. So today, we're going to follow the mechanism of antibiotic resistance, step by step. When antibiotics enter the body, they don't target one single bacterium. They act on an entire population. At first glance, this population looks uniform, but at the microscopic level, it is not identical. Some bacteria are naturally more susceptible, and some already carry resistance. This difference determines what happens next. When antibiotics are introduced, they create what is called selective pressure. Susceptible bacteria are affected first. Their essential processes are disrupted. They stop growing, and they die. But resistant bacteria respond differently. They survive. This survival is not because the antibiotic stops working. It is because resistant bacteria possess specific mechanisms. Some produce enzymes that break down the antibiotic. Some alter the antibiotic's target. Others prevent the drug from entering the cell. As a result, while susceptible bacteria are eliminated, resistant bacteria remain. With susceptible bacteria removed, the environment changes. Resources become available. Space becomes available. And resistant bacteria begin to multiply. This process is called clonal expansion. As resistant bacteria reproduce, their numbers increase. What was once a small minority gradually becomes the dominant population. At this point, most bacteria in the infection are resistant. Now, when antibiotics are present, they encounter a population that is no longer susceptible. The antibiotic can no longer eliminate the infection effectively. This leads to 95% reduced effectiveness. And the infection persists. This entire process doesn't require bacteria to consciously adapt. It is driven by selection. Antibiotics remove susceptible bacteria. Resistant bacteria survive. And survival leads to dominance. Antibiotic resistance is not a sudden event. It is a step-by-step mechanism: selection, survival, expansion, dominance. Understanding this mechanism explains why antibiotic misuse accelerates resistance, and why preserving antibiotic effectiveness is critical. This is Micromechanisms, where we explain how biological systems actually work. Thanks for watching.